Hello, welcome to my channel Kitty Entertainment. Today I'll tell you what is perfect number. Perfect number means the factor of all the numbers. So now I'll be tell you perfect number means what. Now suppose I have taken the number is 6, and what is the factor of this? That means 1, 2, 3. These are called factor because 1 is divisible by 6, 2 also divisible by 6, 3 also divisible by 6. That means the sum of all the factors is equal to that number, that previous number, that is called factor. Suppose 6 is equal to the sum of factor 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, then it is called factor because 1, 2, 3 is divisible by 6. So now I'll be create a program. You just watch. Suppose gedit. It is a perfect number. .c. Okay, then hash include stdio.h. Okay, then int main. Okay, suppose here I'll taken the number int n I. Okay, so what I'll do, and I will take the sum. Okay, the starting initially sum will be 0. Suppose then here write printf, enter the number. Okay, so here write scanf percentile d ampersand no. Then what will write here? I should write I equal to 1 while I less than n o. I have taken no, so here also type the no, and here also write the no. No means stands for number. Okay, while no, then what will do here? Inside this, I will check. Suppose if no percentile 2. Okay, no percentile 2. Not 2. I'll write here n I. Okay, equals to 0. Okay, then sum is equal to sum plus I. Okay, then I should be increment. I plus plus is right. Okay, then bracket will be closed. Okay, that means I will be divisible by no if it is divisible, successful, equal to 0. Then the divisible numbers I will be add into sum. Okay, so here write if sum equals to my previous number is number, then printf it is perfect number. Okay, so I will give the slash n, else printf it is not perfect number. Okay, so slash n, bracket close, then close the bracket, then I run this. Okay, so GCC. Okay, so it will be expected semicolon. So line 12. Yes, I have mistake here, semicolon, line 12. So bracket and dot slash 8 dot out. Okay, I will enter 6. 6 is a perfect number. If you enter 7, it is not perfect. So now I want to find total how many perfect numbers are there between 1 to 1000. So what we'll do here? Okay, so instead of take the scanf function, here I have initialized no is equal to Okay, 1000. Okay, then I equal to 1, then while I less equal to NO. Okay, if NO percentage I, so here what will we do? You will be again you will be right I equals to 1, again inside this, and again take the while loop. Okay, while you will not take the I, you will take the another J, because again I will be use the loop. Okay, J is equal to here will declare int J, suppose. Okay, so J equal to 1, then again same thing will be right here, J less than I, because I is the number will be check to it is a perfect number or not. So here write while J less than I. Okay, so then inside of while loop, what will we do? We will write here J. Same things, we will write the J, and same here write the J, because previously suppose you already think I is the number which is from 1 to 1000, then this will be the replacement of a value from 1 to 1000, then J equal to less than equal to I. If number percentage J will be right here, J equal to 0, then sum equal to sum plus J plus plus. Then here we'll check the logic. If sum equals to what to write here? Here write the I have mistake. While J less than I, your number is then we'll write here if sum equals to I will be right, because not number is the I to 1000 variable varies. So here write I less than then J less equal to I, then here write if J less equal to I, G sum equals to I is perfect number. Okay, then here will be close the outside while loop. Okay, before that you will be close the you will be write the I plus plus. I plus plus means it is the outside while loop. Okay, so remember one thing, I less than NO means what? It will be check 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 1000. It is loop will be move. Then J is less equal to I means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then J will be check up to that number, that whether it is perfect number or not. So J will be compare with, okay, J is less than first 1, it will compare the next time J less than 2, the next time J less than 3, that means I value. The next time J less than 4, this time it will be I value 1, first 1 will be compare, the next time I will be 2, then 2 will be compare, next time 3, then 3 will be compare, next time 4 and 4 will be compare. Then same thing, if this J starting from 1 is divisible by, you write the I value, okay, not number value, I value. If I percentage J equal to 0, then sum plus J plus plus. If sum equal to I, then it is perfect number, and not perfect, then I will be next to the increment. Again I will be 2, then 2 will be follow this loop, then this time it will be, okay, and then check from 1 to 1000, then I will save it, okay, then save, then close, then I will be compile this, so that is successful compiler and not compiled, so I will give the comment line this. Okay, this is now you will be write this inside the comment loop, comment, then close, then run this and check, yes, it is successful run, successful compile. Then clear screen, I will clear the screen. Okay, then /a.out. It is not perfect number. Okay, then what will do here? Okay, so don't write this. Will be only check which numbers are, okay, perfect number. Then percentage D is a perfect number. So what is the percentage? You will write there sum or I. We write there sum or I. So close this and clear the screen. Okay, clear the screen. then compile this, and what are the perfect numbers are there, enter number. Okay, I'll be close this, enter number. I don't want to check it. Okay, so here I less than n, then I plus plus. Okay, so it is a while loop, it is the outside while loop. Okay, then I'll be run this program. You see, so okay, so number is 1,000, I equal to 1, and this j is equal to, will be write 1 while j less than I. Okay, if I percentage j equals to 0, then sum is equal to sum plus j. Then j will be incremented. Okay, so j will be incremented. Then if sum equals to I, acha. Then what is the problem? Before entering this, then you will write sum equal to 0. Okay, so enter into the perfect, enter into the while loop. Startingly j should be 1 and sum equal to 0. Then I will check this. Okay, so successful. Then 6, 28 and 496 are perfect number. Okay, so I think you have understood. If you understand, then comment and share it. If you